Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are continuing a C++ console. This is a part 2 and we are upgrading our project bouncing ball. We can actually do moving a ball with a keyboard using a WASD. Let's dive in. So we need the three include for this project. The first one is the iOS scene. And second of all, use a keys to input. And those are the functions to need that in this project, so I comment it. And third include the windows.h for the sleep function that's used for speed in this project. And we create two integer variables x and y and start the position of both to 0 0 for that's a full position of our object or our actor, so I comment that. And I create boolean variables for game over true or false. That game over equal to false, and don't forget that semicolon I said before. And I create a draw function is responsible for showing a ball and updating a game screen. So create a draw function and searching for a system CLS, the clear screen I said before in the X video. We need the two for loops for x-axis and y-axis. The variable integer of I initializing 0 and the y bigger than I and I plus plus. See out the and line, because that y axis if you are moving a ball or our object, and the line not to move to right or left, up and down, so to underline. And this is for x-axis, and see out with a space for moving right or left. I will show you how to work. See out a space and calling to x-axis, and see out our ball. I use O, capital O, and a line, semicolon, and see out a slash n for another line, and use WSD to move, and Q to exit. And see out the current position x and y. So the current position is x and y. Okay, now the draw function is done. Now it's turned to input, so we need to create a input function. If open the parenthesis, this function I said before in the include line for needs to case useful, very useful for a case, and char case equal to underline get ch and semicolon. This is another function for case, and we need to another loops that I use the switch loops, switch a case for a W, S, A, D and Q for exit. So the case W, the Y plus plus to up of our object, and break case S, Y minus minus to down our object. And case Q for exit. So case Q equal to game over. If equal to true, close game. If game over is equal to true, we will to close the game. Now it's turned to a main function. I use while loops, exclamation mark, it means not equal to game over, the mark not equal to game over, or use a game over equal to true, that's both are same, and put draw function, import function, sleep function in the while loops. Sleep function for speed, I said before in the include line windows.h goes for speed. This is the input function, and sleep function I choose the 18 for my speed our option. Okay, that's it done. Where is using and see out the game over. If the click Q to game over, and if I run and compile it, you will see the project that works. So I run it, and this is our ball I use for WASD to move. That's very useful for 2D game or game we need to game development. And you can change the Y axis with plus plus and minus. In the W and S case I change it. That's very comfortable for me. Alright, that's for part 2. We made the moving the ball around with using a keyboard. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment what you would like to see next. Thanks for watching us. See you soon. Bye.